On this video guys, I'm going to show you how to fix Snapchat video call problem in less than 1 minute. So what you have to do guys is very simple. Open the settings and then go to the apps manager. Open the apps like this and then go to the Snapchat. Now this is the app informations page as you can see. All what you want to do here is very simple, so don't worry, just click on force stop right here and then go to the storage. This is the internal storage. Click on clear data and clear cache. After that, go back again, and now all what you want to do next is go to the data usage right here and disable the background data like this, and make sure that all these options here are enabled, and then open the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone. Search for Snapchat and click on update. That's it guys, very easy and simple. Don't forget to like, subscribe.